to an all-new prank, the only show on MTV that's won back-to-back Emmys for Best Co-Host. I'm Amir, this is Streeter.
I think someone's messing with you, man.
Now, if they were messing with me, man, they would have used a frog like this next pranker did.
Nah, they would have had like 2 fake trophies.
Not a trophy. You get these certificates that you can print out for $10,000 a pop.
Hey, we gotta call the bank again. He did it again.
We just found this frog in the parking lot. It's in this bag. It's a big-ass green frog. I don't know where it came from, but we found it. And we're about to bring it into Lauren's apartment and let it loose. What's up? Man, come in. Where's Adam?
Adam's asleep. So funny. Why? You're not filming. I'm really freaked out. I'm really freaked out.
You know, if movies taught me anything, it's that girls love frogs. Now I'm so confused.
You know, some things in life are a mystery.
I know, I just wish everything would be as pure and simple and beautiful as our nut shot of the day.
Hey, enjoy the moment.